Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 in the Allure specification. So this car features a large panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done less than 10,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.